Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to import Amazon reviews to Shopify with Ali Reviews app. So let's get started. First of all, go to Google and search for Amazon.com. Search in the search bar any product. After going on Amazon.com, in the search bar, search for any product that you want. Here I've searched that Galaxy projector. Now the product shows the reviews of the customers at the bottom of the page with ratings. Now go to Shopify admin page and click on the apps button. Click on the search apps bar. Now click on the apps and sales setting channels. After going to the apps and sales setting channel, go on the installed apps button if you have already installed it. If not, then go to Shopify App Store and search for Ali Reviews app. After searching for Ali Reviews app, download and integrate this with Shopify. Go to Shopify admin page and then open Ali Reviews app. Now click on Manage Reviews button. After clicking on Manage Reviews button, you will see the drop down of different products. Click on Import Reviews option. Click on Import Reviews option and then click for Amazon Import button. After clicking on Amazon Import button, go to Amazon.com page again. Now copy the product link that you want the reviews of to be copied. Copy the product link and paste on Amazon URL bar on the Shopify page. After pasting the product link on Amazon URL bar on Shopify, click import button. This is for importing the review, and there you see the reviews of Amazon to Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.